Your life as every smoker. Rank level 1, the curious friend. You're 18. One Friday night, you're hanging out with a new group of friends. Music is playing. Everyone's laughing. Someone lights a joint. Nobody seems worried. Nobody looks out of control. One of your friends holds it toward you. You want to try? You hesitate. Only for a second. Then, you take it. The smoke burns a little. Everyone laughs. So do you. Nothing dramatic happens. You go home thinking, that wasn't a big deal. Level 2, the weekend smoker. The next weekend, you do it again. Soon, Friday nights become predictable. Music, movies, joint. You tell yourself it's only on weekends. Life still feels normal. You still wake up early, still go to work, still meet deadlines, still make plans. You don't see a problem. Because there isn't one. Level 3, the regular. You're 21. Weekends slowly become weekdays. Sometimes after work, sometimes after the gym, sometimes simply because it's there. It's become routine. You know exactly where to buy it, exactly who to call, exactly how your evening will end. Friends start asking you questions. You become the weed guy. Level 4, the daily routine. You're 25. Wake up, go to work, come home, roll a joint, sit on the balcony, watch the sunset. Repeat. The routine never changes. Level 5, time. One evening, holding another joint, and a strange thought enters your mind. When did I get this old? You remember being 18, thinking life would last forever, thinking there would always be time. Time to chase those dreams. But years don't disappear all at once. They disappear one evening at a time. One morning, you don't wake up. The apartment stays silent. The chair remains by the balcony.